Kaseng Sang Perthai National People's Party. Kalapentip bahkan penyang Kyrtong Baroh Arbho Khandai Teliki Constituency Jongka Baroh Hills Autonomous District Council haki election kabanlong haka Khandai Tarik Uyayong haba buat hongru baka seng kan yo ek jingjab bat banthau ek executive committee kabatmai Jongka Council.
Kani kesur jangka National People's Party kalamino Presiden ke NPP Meghalaya ubadiru UMP Syaga Raja Sabha Dr. W.R. Kharluki ubalaong bakaseng NPP kalapan krek bah ke election bat kaya lek menta ha ke jingpet jangka ban kami nakaliang karilum garo ba kino ke babet ban ikon ke election bat lai kani ha kinong yalam jangka karilum garo bagian pet ik jingdan kambaro Ulang bagaseng kami lenti bahkan yok kur ya kejeng job na Baroh Arb Khandai Teli ki Constituency.
We are preparing to put a candidate in all the 29 seats and we are preparing to fight to win.
And when do we expect the party to announce the list of candidates?
I think before the time it will be announced. You see, the thing is we have our own setup there, election thing, and the working president is there. So they are doing everything. It's not from the state here, it is in the district itself. Okay. So we get everything from them.
Your opponent has already released the list of all the candidates.
You see,
so what is the delay for
this is not a short, not a 100-meter race. This is a 15,000-meter race. So in the meanwhile, whatever they have decided will catch up.
Halor ke election sedang samai hamaurang keneng Constituency. Uniu nong yalam uloong ba kejing ekran kelanang ya cekamat hagabede bat kejing pening yo Kyrtong. Haba penpauru baka Kyrtong jong MDC ubak peniat sing siem kadai kawai ke bapau banlong Kyrtong tambah keseng kampat penbena setia ya mentah. Laban kedau hang ne baka maurang keneng Constituency kala saat teli klaim u ne ke MLA hadirin kejing klat no u MLA ubak David E Nongrum haga artarik mentah ubnai rempang. Ka Election Commission kala ban penlong lang ya ke election sedang samai hamaurang keneng rengkat bat gejela ke ban select ke election kum ke West Bengal, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Kerala bat Puducherry.
We'll put up our candidate, we'll set up our candidate, and we are determined to win.
We expect that the present MDC will be the candidate.
More or less it seems like that, but it's not yet decided, so I cannot comment on that. No?